Should have sent a card to Chesley McNeil so he would observe and get some sleep. In today's Hero Central, we recognize heroes of the civil rights movement. It was 46 years ago today that protesters marched across the Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma to begin a peaceful protest that ended in violence. The march had its birth in Atlanta, and Bill Liss has that story.
To be detrimental to your safety to continue this march, and I'm saying that this is an unlawful assembly.
It was March 7th, 1965. 600 people set out on a 54-mile march from Selma, Alabama, to the state capitol in Montgomery. It was to protest the killing of civil rights worker Jimmy Lee Jackson and to shine the nation's spotlight on voting rights.
You are ordered to disperse.
But just moments from the Edmund Pettus Bridge, a sheriff's posse intercepted the marchers, and it turned violent. The day became known around the world as Bloody Sunday.
One bus will be the black bus, this will be the red bus.
Now, 46 years later, more than 100 Atlantans are on their way to Selma to commemorate that historic march.
We are going to commemorate those who sacrificed so much so that we could have the right to register and vote and to re-energize ourselves to the task ahead. We're coming back to register voters. We're coming back to educate voters.
For others making the trip, like Henry Culverson, going to Selma carries an important and valuable message.
It means to let me know that we do have the freedom to vote, and we do have the freedom to sit anywhere we want to sit at.
The event that dramatically changed the crusade for equal rights had its roots far from Selma.
It was here in Atlanta on historic Auburn Avenue in the nearby Pasco's restaurant that John Lewis, Hosea Williams, and the Reverend Ralph Daybert Abernathy sat with Dr. Martin Luther King to plan the protests and the march across the Pettus Bridge.
John R. Lewis has dedicated his life to shattering barriers and fighting injustice.
Medal of Freedom winner Congressman John Lewis, who suffered a concussion in that 1965 march, will lead today's commemorative walk.
We're on our way.
From Auburn Avenue in Atlanta, I'm Bill Liss.
Hero Central is brought to you by Montlick & Associates.
At Montlick & Associates, we work hard every day to protect the rights of injured people.
No matter where you live in Georgia, our firm is here, ready to help you get your life back together after an accident. We're just a phone call away, and we'll even come to you.
Contact us 24 hours, 7 days a week. Go to montlick.com and use our free online case evaluation form. Or you can call us at 1-800-LAW-NEED for your free consultation. That's 1-800-LAW-NEED.